So Premiere Mobile, one of the things that I love about it is like anybody can use this app. Like my mom could edit a video in this. One of the newest updates is that now there's an incredible partnership with YouTube. And you can see here that we have lots of templates that we can start from: lifestyle, beauty, travel, cuisine.
You can click on that and it'll open the template right up so you can make your own version of that YouTube Shorts.
So we're gonna go, my category that I pulled is health. I'm really feeling that first one that we saw the best. I think this one over here, where it says stay consistent. I was not expecting this.
Oh.
It's giving Beethoven.
Yeah, and like inspirational.
Yeah. Okay, we're replacing the audio. So when you want to customize this even further, you want more creative control, this is when we're going to go into the full editor. So let's find a cool soundtrack. Let's see what we have here. I'm going to let you listen.
Yeah, it's helpful, inspiring.
I feel like what we should do is I record the voiceover. Flight 777, boarding to San Francisco now, and then we do the whoosh in between the clips. Oh, maybe it's the last one. That's it.
Yeah,
that's definitely the one. Flight 777, preparing for takeoff.
So it sounds good.
No, it's literally it's the transition and everything. Flight 777, preparing for takeoff.
You did it the perfect length.
I'll just leave. Like, that was all I needed to do.
Goodbye, we're done here.
So we have live from San Francisco. Maybe we can do another text on screen that's
comment live for the link.
Should we watch from the top? Let's hear. Flight 777, preparing for takeoff. So cute. From here, what we could even do is bring it to Premiere Desktop if I wanted to do some more things with it. I could go through, put my title. I could be like live from
SF
with the plain emoji.
Thanks for being here.
Thank you. Bye, everyone. Have a great day.